Did you know this humble root vegetable can boost digestion, detox your body, and even improve soil health? Discover the hidden powers of mooli. Mooli, commonly known as white radish or daikon, is a root vegetable that holds a significant place in various cuisines, traditional medicine, and agriculture. This crisp, mildly spicy root is cultivated and consumed across different parts of the world, particularly in India, Japan, China, and Korea. It is a versatile vegetable, eaten raw, cooked, pickled, or even dried, with its leaves often used in salads and curries. While it appears simple on the surface, mooli has a deep history, rich nutritional benefits, and diverse uses that make it an essential part of both culinary traditions and holistic health practices. Mooli is believed to have originated in the Mediterranean region before spreading to Asia, where it became a staple in many diets. In Japan, daikon is a key ingredient in soups, stews, and fermented dishes, while in India, mooli parathas are a popular breakfast choice. Its ability to grow in various climates, from cold regions to warmer lands, has allowed it to adapt and thrive in different agricultural environments. Farmers value mooli not only for its quick growth cycle but also for its soil-enhancing properties. The long taproot helps break compacted soil, allowing better water and nutrient absorption for future crops. This quality has made it an essential part of crop rotation practices, benefiting both the farmers and the environment. Nutritionally, mooli is packed with vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health. It is particularly rich in vitamin C, which boosts immunity and promotes healthy skin. The high fiber content aids digestion, preventing constipation and promoting gut health. Additionally, mooli has detoxifying properties that help cleanse the liver and kidneys, making it a common ingredient in detox diets. Its low-calorie content and high water percentage make it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Traditional medicine systems, such as Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, have long used mooli for its ability to reduce inflammation, improve respiratory health, and balance the body's internal systems. It is often recommended for individuals suffering from congestion, as its natural compounds help clear mucus and soothe throat irritation. The pungent, slightly spicy taste of mooli is due to the presence of sulfur-containing compounds, which not only contribute to its distinct flavor but also have antibacterial and antifungal properties. These compounds make mooli an effective natural remedy for infections and digestive issues. When consumed regularly, it helps in regulating blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes. It also plays a role in improving heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels and enhancing blood circulation. The leaves of mooli, often discarded, are equally nutritious, containing higher levels of calcium and iron compared to the root. These leaves can be used in soups, stir-fries, and even as a base for chutneys, making the entire plant a valuable addition to the diet. Mooli's culinary uses are vast, varying from culture to culture. In Indian cuisine, it is grated and stuffed into parathas, mixed with spices to create flavorful salads, or cooked into curries. In Japan, it is finely shredded and served as a garnish with sushi or tempura, balancing the richness of fried foods. Korean cuisine utilizes mooli in kimchi preparation, where it ferments alongside spices to develop a tangy, probiotic-rich dish. Chinese cuisine incorporates mouli in stews and dumplings, where its mild sweetness enhances the overall flavor of the dish. Even in Western countries, chefs and home cooks are experimenting with mouli, adding it to slaws, soups, and roasted vegetable dishes. Its versatility allows it to be used in both raw and cooked forms, adapting to various taste preferences. Beyond food, mouli has applications in sustainable agriculture and natural remedies. Its deep-growing roots improve soil aeration and prevent erosion, making it a valuable cover crop. Farmers often plant mouli in off-seasons to replenish soil nutrients and prevent weed growth. In traditional home remedies, mouli juice is used to relieve bloating, indigestion, and even kidney stones. The juice, when mixed with honey, serves as a remedy for cough and cold, providing relief from respiratory discomfort. Some cultures also use mouli externally, applying its juice to the skin to treat acne, blemishes, and sunburns. With growing interest in organic and natural health solutions, mouli is gaining recognition beyond its role as a simple vegetable, cementing its place in both modern nutrition and sustainable living. Mouli, with its rich history, impressive health benefits, and diverse culinary applications, is much more than just a humble root vegetable. Whether eaten raw, cooked, or used in medicinal preparations, it continues to be an essential part of diets and traditions across the world. Its ability to improve soil health, support human wellness, and adapt to various culinary techniques makes it a remarkable plant. As more people discover the advantages of including mouli in their daily lives, its significance will only continue to grow, proving that even the simplest ingredients can have profound impacts on health and sustainability. From nutrition to medicine and even farming, mouli proves it's more than just a vegetable. Will you start including it in your diet and lifestyle?